How to open an account, step by step. Opening a bank account is a straightforward process once you know the steps and the language commonly used in banks. This guide walks you through each stage, explains the documents you'll need, offers helpful phrases to use, and gives tips to make the experience smooth and stress-free. 1. Prepare in advance. Before you go to the bank, gather the essentials. Most banks ask for a government-issued photo ID, passport, driver's license, national ID, proof of address, utility bill, lease agreement, or official letter dated within the last 3 months, your tax identification or social security number, if required, initial deposit, cash, check, or transfer, if the account requires one. If you are a non-resident or opening a specific type of account, call the branch or check the bank's website in advance to confirm any extra requirements. 2. Choose the right account. Decide whether you need a checking/current account for daily transactions, a savings account to earn interest, or a specialized account, student, business, joint. Consider fees, minimum balance requirements, ATM access, online mobile banking features, and interest rates. Ask the bank to explain differences in plain language if anything is unclear. 3. Visit the branch or apply online. Many banks let you open an account online, which can be faster. If you prefer face-to-face help, visit a branch during business hours. When you arrive, say, "Hi, I'd like to open a checking savings account, please. Could you tell me what documents I need to apply?" A bank representative will guide you through the application form and verify your identification. 4. Complete the application. You'll fill out personal details: full name, date of birth, address, contact information, employment status, and tax ID. Read every section carefully. If you don't understand a question, ask, "Could you explain this part, please?" What does this field mean? Some banks require you to sign terms and conditions and consent to identity checks. 5. Make your initial deposit and set up services. If an initial deposit is required, hand it to the teller or follow online instructions. At this stage, you can also request a debit card. Ask how long delivery will take. Check a book if needed. Online and mobile banking access. Set up a username and password. Ask the staff to activate online services and explain how to log in. How do I activate my debit card? Could you show me how to register for mobile banking? 6. Receive confirmation and documents. The bank will give you a welcome pack, account number, and a receipt of your deposit and application. Keep these documents safe. If anything will be mailed, card, PIN, confirm the expected delivery time. 7. Follow up and security. Once your account is active, change temporary passwords, set strong PINs, and enable two-factor authentication if available. Regularly monitor statements and report suspicious activity immediately. Useful phrases and vocabulary. What are the fees for this account? Asking about monthly charges. What's the minimum balance? The smallest amount you must keep. Is there an ATM network I can use for free? Asking about surcharge-free ATMs. Can I set up direct deposit? Arrange for salary or payments to be sent to the account. How do I order a replacement debit card? If lost or stolen. Final tips. Bring photocopies of your documents if required. Arrive early to avoid queues, and don't hesitate to ask staff to explain terms in simpler language. With a little preparation and the right phrases, opening a bank account becomes a quick, confident step toward managing your finances